Hello, my name is Ajaya Dhakal. I'm studying Aviation Management in AIBT College, which is a great place to study because we have experienced teachers not only by qualification but by the experience and their knowledge, and I'm happy to be here. In my country, there is no any institute or college where you can study aviation. In Australia, I found it's a bit cheaper and the quality of education we get here is a bit good, so I chose Australia instead of choosing other country. I just got the letter and I was like, oh, seems my hard work is gonna do some results in the future, so yeah, I felt very good. When you work in aviation, you meet the people from different places, having different experience. You can gain different types of knowledge sitting at a single place. So I love being in aviation. Drone can be used in every field in this modern industry. Like it can be used in mining, it can be used in flames, it can be used in maybe different sectors. Like you need something to fly over. Just maybe the road is gone down, the road is closed, but the air is not closed. Yeah, I recommend if someone asks me, because teachers, when you compare the materials and everything they provide, the teaching they provide, when you compare AIBT must be the good one in cheaper price with good teachers. The teachers are not only qualified but they are experienced one. They are the one who are working in the industry for maybe 10-15 years and come here to share experience so that we can step out in this industry and can develop ourselves in the industry. Like my dream job will be fly in the sky as a pilot